Welcome guys to my new video. In this video I will talk about the switch statement in the C programming language. So first of all, like my video, subscribe to my channel, and let's start our video. The switch statement in C programming language. Switch case statement evaluates a given expression and based on the evaluate value. In C, the switch case statement is used to executing on condition from multiple condition. It is similar to an if-else-if later. The syntax of the switch statement is like this: switch, expression, case 1, statement 1, break, and etc. Case n, statement n, break, and finally default statement. We need to use this syntax in exercise, but the expression here can be, for example, if I talk about the month of the year, we put, for example, switch month. If I talk about character, switch character. This is the expression in the switch statement. Exercise 1. Write a C program to print day of the week using the switch case statement. First of all, in this exercise, I need to declare, for example, here I need day of the week. We can declare, for example, X, or can give another name, for example, week, teacher week. I need to tell the user to give me a number from 1 to 7, because in 1 week we have 7 days. And later I need to use the switch case, switch, the expression here is week, and case 1, for example. Case 1, it's for Monday. The statement here is printf Monday and break. And I continue to case 7. Case 7 is for Sunday and break. And finally default, for example, if he gives me a number 8, for example, here invalid input or error. Let's write the full code, and let's start with hashtag include studio.h, integer main, integer week. Now let's tell the user to give me a number between 1 and 7. Enter week number. Scanf %d and week. Now let's use the switch case statement. Switch week case 1 printf Monday and break. Now the case 2 is for Tuesday and break. Case 3 is for Wednesday break. Case 4 is for Thursday case 5 for Friday, case 6 for Saturday, and finally 7 for Sunday. And finally, default printf invalid input. Please give me a number between 1 and 7. And finally, return 0. This is how to use the switch case statement in the C programming language. Switch statement in the C programming language, exercise 2. I need to write a C program to find the maximum numbers between two numbers using the switch case statement. In this problem, first of all, I need to declare two numbers, number 1 and number 2. I need to tell the user to give me a value of this two number. I need to use a switch with this expression, number 1 is greater than number 2. Here, first case is case 0. Case 0, it means when this condition is false. Here, number 2 is the max. In case 1, it means the condition is true. Number 1 is the max. Let's write the full code. Let's start with hashtag include studio.h, integer main, and switch. Let's declare two numbers, integer number 1 and number 2. Printf give me two numbers. Scanf %d number 1, number 2. Now switch number 1 greater than number 2. Now case 0, printf %d is max. Here number 2. It's mean number 2 is the max. Here, if the condition is false. Now, case 1, printf %d is max number 1. Here we have break, and here also we have break. here if the condition is true. And finally, return 0. This is our C program using the switch case statement to find if the number is maximum or minimum. That's all about the switch case statement in C programming language, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I see you later.